Mm-hmm. Boop, boop, my polar bear stepped on the router. What's going on, everybody? I don't know why they let the polar bear out, man. 2 streams one day, baby. You guys are too good, man. You guys are too good. Now I really got to ask you guys to like and share and all that stuff now. That's fine though. It's fine. You guys are great. I really need that igloo mansion, Karis. They know there's too much alpha here. Not lagging so far. Good. I had a hunch this morning that I was doing like some TA and stuff for the gang and stuff, and the computer felt a bit choppy, and I was like, oh, this could be a little bit trouble. We're just gonna hit reboot. Reboot. That's it. We're all set up again. We're ready to go. Coming down below, view up here. Got 3 drives. $8.51. Thank you everybody for being here. Restarting the stream. Make sure you guys smack up those like buttons because you know we got rugged this morning by TubeUbe. Get a Mac Mini Pro. I've never been a Mac guy, so who knows? I restart my computer every day, Adam. I shut it down every single day. I don't leave it running. Sound is good. We're back. Everything's good. No lag. We're all good. Not lagging so far. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Arius, Curtis, Safir. If I haven't said good morning to you, good morning. Thank you for being here. I'm lost on a Mac, man. It's my polar bear got out of the cage. He stepped on the router. And we're back, so that's fine. Good to be back. It's been a while. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. We'll see if we do continue here. A little bit of Chop City this morning. NASDAQ trying to push up here. This is a nice high for the NASDAQ, so I do like this for continuation. Possibly can reflect into Bitcoin this morning. However, a little bit overextended here, so I would expect something like this if we're going to go. Okay, the SPY here. The SPY, I don't know what's popping off in here, but we got the VWAP here. The SPY, we'll see if we do gap. Considering we've pushed on the NASDAQ, we could gap up here on the SPY. So I'm going to be cautiously optimistic and assume down for now. We got SWI here. Let's go back over to the Dixie. Get that all ready. Swear jar is still compounding here. Been pretty good with the swear jar lately, actually. I'm pretty proud. Laddering up here, just it's not weak, okay? Clearly not weak. We clearly have, that was tapped. Lots of levels to tap above us here. Target would be 93,500 if we are going to push, coming into 93.7-ish. Yeah, that would be ideal. Rotation up there. Doesn't mean we're going to get there. Just waiting for Orange Man to tweet about China, man. That's the guess. Orange Man is going to tweet about China today or tomorrow. That is my prediction, okay? My crystal ball says it might be today. It might be today. Did I give you guys FOMO yet or what? Did you guys get gig along? What would be the best area for the weekly close? It's a great question. Well, with the weekly right now, we have 2 beautiful candles in a row. Boop, boop. 3 beautiful candles in a row. So if we're going to close this weekly here, as long as we close above these highs at 88.5, I'm bullish, baby. So looking good. Looking good. I wouldn't want to see it close there, but this is looking strong, man. So trying to push here. This is trying to push. You could tell, right? You could tell it's just getting bought up slowly, steady, right? That ba 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 ba. We haven't mitigated this high over here at 92.8. Fair value gap, impulse golden pocket. So we'll see. 300 people here, 97 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing up that like button and sharing this out or whatever. We got rugged this morning by the interwebs. So you guys could do us a solid. I'd appreciate it. I mean, I think we've all made money here. So big stretch, reset. It always throws a wrench, a spanner in the works. A spanner, a wrench. Spanner is the British version of a wrench. They only use their left hand with the wrench. That's why. What's going on, Trade Vlog? My man, bro. What's going on, man? How you doing? Good to see you. Gaina. Okay. Gina. Good morning, Zena. Hacked to maximize utterness. What? Okay. Nice push here, Dusty. What's going on? The igloo didn't have trains. No, that's it, right? The igloo's malfunctioned this morning, man. R.S. Miller, my man. Good morning. Good to see you. F1, good morning. Albino Rhino. Crypto Sammy. Vagina. You guys just want me to say bad words. Crypto King, my man. How's it going, man? Auto Crypto. Could I check Matic? Poll. What are you looking at Matic for, man? The thing's dead. I sold all my Matic. See, it's dead. Dead as a doornail. It's catching up, man. Good job. I love how people because I used to do the TA, top-down analysis live streams and give you guys all levels and all that stuff. But honestly, people ask you to look at stuff that's already moved. As a trader, you got to look at things that are the opposite of what the narrative is happening, right? So if everything's pumping, what hasn't pumped that can pump? What section is pumping? Is it the AI tokens, right? One of my good tricks is I watch the AI tokens. So look, FET's up 2% right now. Render looks very similar. GRT looks very similar. GPU, Tau. Okay, so they all look very similar. If one looks different, I flip through this. If one looks different, I can possibly make a nice trade on that. Let's say render is still not pumping. I can get in on render, whatever, right? So you can look at sections. You don't want to look at Polygon when it's up 15%. Like, you're gonna press buy. Go press buy and see how well that works out for you. Let's just give an example. We'll go back to Paul at the end of the class today, right? And we'll see how our long works out, okay? We'll see how well it works out. We'll go back there later. There's my rant, okay? There's my rant. That was me getting out my anger with the internet. Is that is that all right? Let's go, baby. Finance, near. I think near will do well. I have a bit of a bag of near. Celine Dion coin, I call it. Near, far, wherever you are. 9 o'clock, everybody. We just got our hourly print. So our hourly print suggests that we have continuation here to the upside on our market cipher hourly candle. Continuation here. No curvature to the downside, which is very good. We look at our 30-minute as well. The 30-minute here is going to suggest, oh no. Is it one of those days today? Is it going to be one of those days today? Don't do it to me today. I think we broke the internet. This one's not loading. Oh, there we go. Market Cipher normally loads really fast, so I don't know why. Continuation up, flattening out on VWAP though. So a little bit of a warning sign here. Flattening out on VWAP. Okay. 15-minute, we should check that as well. These will all print new candles, right? A little bit overextended. Good money flow coming off the bottoms, okay? I don't know why I have these candles turned on. Makes it look all funky. Chop City in here. No trade. Still waiting here. Thank you everybody for being here. 385 people here, 124 likes. We did get rugged this morning, so if you guys wouldn't mind helping out by smashing up some like buttons, sharing it out, telling your grandfather, your grandmother. How do you determine your stop loss? I fit it into a percentage wise. So 0.3 to 1% is typically my percentage, and I try to fit this in. If I need a little bit more wiggle room, I will go half a position size. Okay? But it's always the same. Always the same, repeatable, risking 1% per trade. I risk 0.4% per trade. I don't even risk 1% because 1% would be $1,000, and I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to add more size, but for now, I had a good conversation with Crypto Face yesterday about position size, and he gave me some wise words. We'll leave it at that. Good to have friends, man. The master of adding size. Size does matter, man. As you get longer in this game and you start compounding a trading account, you don't want to stay at making, X amount of dollars a day. You want to grow that, right? That's what it's all about. It's the most scalable business you can have if you remain disciplined and you trade your setups. Right? But as you compound an account and it grows and it gets bigger, you're definitely able to get into bigger position sizes, right? But your whole thing is that it's the same trade setup, but when you see the trade go against you and you lose $1,000 versus $300, it's a big difference psychologically, right? It's the same setup, but it's being confident in your setups, right? And that's the thing. I think it's a bit about confidence. It's the same damn thing. It's the same trade. It's the same damn thing. It's just the confidence. And hey ho, man, keep growing that money bag, and if it's uncomfortable, push it a little bit, but not too much, right? And stay where you're at, but continue to execute good trades. I mean, let's face it. You got what, 250 trading days a year, and you make $300 a day, right? You making more than most people. Okay, you making more than most people. For me, I aim from $600 to $1,200 a day, right? For me, I want to make $1,500 a day steady. That's kind of where I'm at. Like, I want to make more than a proctologist. No, a butt doctor. What's the butt doctor called? Butt doctor. Is it a proctologist? I think it's a proctologist. Yeah, a proctologist. How much does a butt doctor make? How much? I want to make more than a butt doctor. I want to be able to go when I get my checkup, $400,000 a year. It ranges from $210,000 to $400,000 a year. Okay, so I want to be able, when I'm an old man and I go for my checkup, I'll be like, man, I press buy and sell and I make more money than you, bro. You're up here checking butts out. You know? That's kind of my goal. It makes, I will swear for Tony, a shitload. He makes a shitload. So I want to make more money than a butt doctor. I want to be like, hey, bro, like you be looking at poo all day long for $400 grand a year, and guess what? I press buy and sell for a couple hours a day, and I'm oh man. Yeah, so I think $1,500 a day at 250 trading days is $375. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it, man. Who wants to analyze? I analyze and he analyzes. You guys are on fire today. You guys are on fire today. Analyze. Sheet load. You guys got better dad jokes than me today. I don't have good ones, okay? That's the whole point. I will make money once I am not losing it. You're supposed to lose. That's the hardest thing right now. You're supposed to lose. You need to lose to be successful in trading. Because at the end of the day, you're trading probabilities. The feral side of you, the caveman who never wants to lose, is what stops you from making money in this game. That's what you're in a battle with. Is not being okay with a loss. Don't care what you say. The number one thing that I struggled with is being okay being wrong. When you're wrong quick, when you're wrong cheap, right? You can reassess, jump back on the horse, right? We take losses live here, but it's that I gotta be right mentality that will get you absolutely wrecked. It will. You gotta be wrong quick. You gotta be able to. You're trying to see, in every trade, you're trying to see the flaws in that trade in order to justify taking it. You're looking for the stuff that's wrong, and then you're trying to ride with the flow of the trade within that. So this is a nice push. NASDAQ, SPY. We got market open in 20 minutes, everybody. Thank you for being here. We got 470 people in here. We were at 600, but I guess everybody went over and watched, I don't know, who the heck else would you watch in the morning? I would watch CryptoFace, Trader Geo. Who else do we got in here? Gareth Salloway. Who watches that guy? He was right once. He's got 1,500 people watching him, man. I don't know. I don't know about that guy, man. He had a man bun. I never trust anybody with a man bun. Do you? I don't know. That man bun thing. The man bun thing ain't for me, man. I'll tell you that much. I think Barra Soloway is there to sell you courses. But what do I know? What do I know? I don't know jack diddly squat. I'm just some Warren G said it best. Warren G said it best. Man bun or flip flops. Let's go. Barra Soloway, yeah. Brewberry, what's going on? Are you gonna go live today, bro? Brewberry, our beautiful trader in our Discord here. He's coming through, man. You're up early, bro. You're up early. God bless you, bro. How you feeling? Are you feeling any better? You want me to come down there and help build that bar? We're talking about man buns. Brewberry, Brewberry's a black belt in karate. He's a black belt in karate. So the Otter Gang's got some kick-ass powers. Brewberry's going to be my bodyguard in Vegas. He has a disclaimer. I will chop you. Brewberry is definitely the dad of the group. Brewberry swears more than me. I love it, man. Nothing better than a Brewberry stream. Crypto Sammy says man buns and proctologists. You're a clown. Don't speculate on another man until you've done research. You're just judging at this point for someone who preaches like you all the time. You should know not to judge. I mean, you got a point. I wouldn't say I'm a clown though. That's kind of rude. Shoe bagger. Thank you for being here, shoe bagger. I'm sure the mods have something for you coming right up. I mean, who wants a man bun, right? We out here winning, baby. Shoe away. Shoe away. F you, shoe bagger. That's okay. He'll keep coming back. He'll probably create another account. I'm going to give you we'll give you a 10-second timeout. He's probably long at 93.8 whole account, but that's okay. Still waiting here. Market open, coming back in, looking for the short here. Nothing yet. Holding VWAP. Continuation. NASDAQ looks like it could be rolling over possibly. See if this low holds. SPY. I'm not sure if we gap down today. Let's see if we hold. A little bit of patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 560 people here, 150 likes. Got Rug this morning. This is the second stream. He probably has a man bun. I'm going to go and get some more coffee. I'm out of coffee, and it's chappy. So I'll be right back. Make sure you guys dance and blow up that chat.
Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Yeah. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Let's go. RS Miller, you blessing the chat again? Got some loyal otters in here. They'll F you up. Let's go. Let's go. Jimbo's got the man bun. What's going on, Jimbo? Scott, LJ, RS Miller, Zen Regen. Curious gifted a membership. We're pushing here. Okay, we're pushing. We're pushing. This thing does not want to stop here. So we got continuation here for Bitcoin. RS Miller, blessing the chat. Thank you so much, my brother. Paul Neal, Zen Regen, gains for life. Let's go. Paul Neal, lurker. Mr. Pixel, what's going on? Good morning. Giander Van Deventer, good morning. Marcus, lurker. Weldy Weld, lurker. Let's go. Once, twice, gone. Lurker. Bear's getting wrecked. I like your name, but you're a lurker, man. Inder out there. Lurker. Esso, lurker. Paul Rule, lurker. And GK go the lurker. Hems, lurker. Gabriel, lurker. MTB, lurker. Dinesh, lurker. Stefan, lurker. Eunice, lurker. Shoe bagger. Oof. Got hit with it again, man. Thank you so much, RS Miller. Let's see some pups in the chat for RS Miller. Everybody throw those puppy dogs in the chat for RS Miller. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Tony, you gave him more opportunity than I would have. I went on a coffee break. I did. I left my coffee over here. Okay, we're good to go. It's like a 7 out of 10 right now. That's not a good coffee. I don't know if I'm a fan of that one. I don't know. Not a fan. Not a fan. Can I spam the gang? We can all spam the gang. It actually looks pretty good in the chat. The gang. Let's spam the gang. Good morning. Liked it. Thank you for liking the stream. Typical tradie. Army Piper in the chat. What's going on? Gang. 10 minutes till market opens. Thank you for reminding us. Our pink. Reggie Classics. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Trading Hook. We're waiting right now. This is choppy, man. There's no trade in this stuff. This is absolute dog poop. Kick and Wig, good morning. Good to see you. Waldy Wald. Welcome to the gang. R.S. Miller's in the chat. My man. Blessing the stream. Thank you for being here. R.S. Miller. Army Piper. Shark Vin. Andrew Cameron. Man Bun's still. Warren G's on it. I got long near the bottom of that impulse. Nice job, Hugos. Dusty wedge straighten up. Yeah, we got wedgie in here. We're wedging. Woo! Rise and wedgie, baby. Just maybe we get a little bit more. We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the stream, hanging out here. We got 460 people. Thank you guys so much for smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new, hanging out here every single day. God bless you guys. I guess we're not allowed to judge people with man buns. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We so are. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about the rising wedgies, man. Judge not, lest ye be judged. What the hell is a man bun? You're if you don't know, be grateful. Just be grateful. God bless you for coming every day. Thanks, Addy. Thank you for being here, man. That's the one thing I've done for 3 years is I show up every single day. That's it, man. What's the analysis for today? I missed it too, Bruce. So we went over it. I guess we went over it last stream. We got rugged this morning. So coming into market open, okay, looking for the sell coming into this area right now. But what we have established is that we have mitigated the low here. So pushing on up here, creating a lower low, but we are getting a nice push right now. So do we come up into, we have an initial sell wall that we're interested in. We have a nice order block below us. If we are going to roll, though, the key level that I'm looking for us to come down to is 88. And remember that we've gone up only. So this will be very, very aggressive if we are going to dump. However, we are in anticipation for a possible China-Trump tweet about tariffs. So I'm being cautious. Obviously, yesterday we got the Trump tweet and we made crazy money in 3 seconds. We could have also lost crazy money in crazy seconds. So let's also be aware of that. Make sure we're using good risk management. The higher term time frames are very overextended. The 12-hour, the daily, just overextended. The daily money flow crossover is actually really beautiful, though. We love to see this coming back in. Okay, that is bullish over time, but however, very overextended. We are looking for a little bounce off the zero line here on our VWAP as well. If we're at our 4, our 3, our 2, we are starting to see a little bit of curvature here and a little bit of overextension on VWAP, which could mean continuation to the upside here if we do continue to push. The 2-hour trigger wave is what we're really interested in. We're keeping an eye on that. If we can cross over and print a green dot here, this is looking around noon. We kind of forecast that for noon if we're going to push. Okay, so looking at that, the 1 hour here, part of me is continuing to push back, but the VWAP is still getting a bit overextended here. So let's see how this goes. I would like a trigger wave. That would be much more ideal coming into later on this evening. So things are looking to point up, however, overextended on most time frames. Our 24 here, we're also looking at a possible rollover if we do get it. Pardon me. For a continuation down. Now this short can turn into something like this, right? So let's be prepared. Not necessarily looking to fade this big move, but I'll jump on the short if we get confirmation of a change in structure. Okay, and then I would love to jump on a short, possibly take this thing down. Nonetheless, we are holding. So any sort of push down could be met by some sort of bounce, sweep, continuation back up. The big doozy in front of us is clearly that 95,000 volume level to get acceptance back up and above the range into the next range above us here, which is clearly defined up in here. So if we're looking at this, we have basically two ranges within here that we are chopping about in. So if we're looking at this, there's a void. This is the void that I'm looking for us to hold and chop about in and possibly push up into this area here, which is our $95,000 area, which is a big volume node. So there should be some resistance trying to get up in there, but we'll see if we do get there for now. But right now, up only. If we hold this zone, we can look for a continuation back up. But overextension is kind of where we're at, but we just want to be patient here and let price come to us. So that's basically where we're at. We're just trying to be patient here and see what happens. But right now we have a little bit of a rollover, but nonetheless we can look for possible retracement and continuation down, or we can look for that sweep continuation up. Okay, so patience will prevail. We'll see how the day goes. Right now, this is nothing I'm interested in. This is just very sideways, choppy price action, and people are trading this somehow, but they're just, in my opinion, they're trapped right now. We got 3 minutes until market opens. The NASDAQ seems to be pushing a little bit right now, but any sort of retrace followed by continuation would be ideal. The SPY here has pushed up, creating a lot of gaps, so we'll see how that reacts as well. Just being prepared as much as possible. We are getting the pig nipples on the top here. Pig nipples. For me, whenever I see the pig nipples on market cipher, I'm just waiting for the trigger wave. Typically, that's how I treat it. So if you're looking at this, you're just waiting for a trigger wave, bearish divergence, right? So you'd wait for prices doing this, and then you'd wait for a sweep of the high and a dump, and then you get the bearish divergence in both directions. Okay, that's what I typically wait for. So you get the push down, then you get the sweep up like that, you get the bear div, and then you get the trigger wave like that. And that would be how I typically trade the pig nipples, famous by Jason Casper, the man, the myth, the legend. Okay, typically waiting for that. But for now, we wait. For now, we wait. A little bit of patience. There's no reason to take a trade in here. We got the rising wedgie that everyone's talking about. We're holding VWAP. Just a little bit of patience right now. I think, last market open was absolutely insanity. Okay, we did make money on this, but pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. And we'll see how it goes today. Thank you for being here, everybody, supporting the channel, hanging out here. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading this thing. 2 for 2 this week on the live stream, having lots of fun with you guys. So thank you guys for supporting the channel, hanging out here. We got 530 people here. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new, joining our Discord, hanging out with the gang. Very grateful to every single one of you guys here. So let's be patient. Let's see what price wants to do here. And let's kick some ass today. Thank you guys for being here. I made 14. What was it? 1439 in, I think, 3 seconds. 4 seconds. How many seconds was it? It was crazy. It was crazy. I've never been so cool. I mean, I last longer in bed. There's the joke. That's the joke. Tony, I need better coffee, man. Sorry, it was 5 seconds. I am 3 minutes. That's 2 brews. That's gracious, man. That's gracious. Thank you for 3 minutes, man. My poor wife. My poor wife. I'm definitely punching. Like she's gorgeous. I mean, when your wife's as beautiful as mine, you're always gonna be a 3-minute man. You're always gonna be a 3-minute man. Market's open, baby. Continuation here. Okay, no gap for the S&P. Pretty flat. NASDAQ. This is getting toppy. Bitcoin. Not sure what it wants. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 524 people in here. 187 likes. If we could get 75 more likes, that would be great. That would be great. Do we have to do a giveaway or something? Maybe we do a giveaway tomorrow. We'll do the... we can do the swear jar tomorrow. What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if you want to do the swear jar tomorrow. If we get up to 275 likes, we'll do the swear jar tomorrow. We've got 195 right now, so you guys got some work to do. We'll do the swear jar tomorrow. Pushing up into our sell wall here. Nice push for Bitcoin. Okay, continuation here. Volume coming in. Volume coming in here, pushing up. Little sell wall right now. Now, we're not taking the short based off the sell wall. We want to see confirmation within this area because clearly we're pushing, right? Little push up here for a SPY. Some targets above us too as well. So looking to get up to these previous day levels here. 93.4, 93.6. Okay. Ideally 93.6. That's the golden pocket area of the range. Into our first sell wall here. Bitcoin pushing so far. Nice little move this morning. See how it reacts in here. This was our if it comes here, we'll be patient. Impulse golden pocket just tapped, okay? No trade just yet. Still waiting here. $213 likes, guys. Need 50 more. Nice continuation here. I always say when I'm taking the trade. Never do I not say when I'm taking the trade. However, this is never financial advice. You should always be trading for yourself and making your own levels and using your own ideas. And I mean, I'm a carpenter who presses buy and sell successfully. That's it. What's going on, Crypto Princess? I think you're interviewing Coons today. Make sure you say his name right. It's Coons. I used to call him Cohen's. Yesterday, it went quickly from no trade to 15. Yeah, it was quick yesterday. You can't always... That's my last name. Wow. I love that man. Kunz is great, man. Kunz is great. Him and I did a collab together. Such a nice guy. Far too slow on that move yesterday. Yeah, I agree. Nice push here, 92.8. Randy's on Fox today. That's sweet, man. Crypto Sammy. I'm going to be one of those YouTubers who says up and down on their poll. Got to do it. Got to do it, guys. Little battle here. It's almost time to short HFG. However, our momentum wave is coming in hot here. So I think a little patience right now. A little bit of patience right now. NASDAQ's topping. SPY's rolling. A little bit of absorption in this area here. Not going to fade that candle. 5-minute candle's juicy. Still got room to go. This is the thing. When we come into like one of our boxes, and this goes for everybody in the Discord too, because I give you guys all the levels that I use. Price needs to do something within this. Yes, there's confluence here, but price needs to do something in this level to give you the confidence to trade it. If price comes in here and it's still bullish, there's no reason for you to trade it here. Your level's invalidated. Being able to determine whether your level is invalidated or not is going to be a big difference maker in your trading. Okay? And that is where you have to understand price action. There's no reason to short this thing yet. If we come in here and we get rejected, we put in something like that. Okay. If we come in here and we put in a bear div like that, okay. Come in here, put like a little doji or a shooting star, whatever. Okay. But you must be able to make a decision. We have confluence here, however you say that damn word. But it doesn't mean we take the trade until we see what we want to see, which we've back tested, which we have a strategy around. Okay. Because right now we're trying to fade this push, which is risky. So we want to have confluence in order to justify putting on risk. Okay. 574 in here, 230 likes. We need 45 likes. Thank you guys for liking the stream, supporting the channel. We did get rugged this morning. Kyle's long target is still above. Awesome. Love Kyle, man. Bullish momentum, man. Don't fade it. Don't fade it. I mean, getting long here could work. I mean, it could work. It's just, what is invalidation? VWAP? Where's your invalidation? That's the problem, right? That's the problem. A little bit of patience here. What did the Discord vote? Does the Discord want us to go live after the show or later today? Discord members got to go vote in the family chat here. I don't know if I can tag them. We can continue the stream. We can continue the stream in the Discord at 10 a.m. or we can do the regular live stream at 12 today if you guys want. It's up to you guys. Tomorrow I'm going to stream in the morning, but I'll be done pretty much market open. And then I'm going away for the weekend. So you're getting you're getting a stream today and whatever you guys want. I'm at your disposal. Chunky Dumpy, baby. All right. Chunky Dumpy coming back down here. Through VWAP. Aggressive through VWAP, looking for a retest, continuation. Anybody get short up in here? He said no confluence. Slap in VWAP here. You can either reclaim VWAP, hold it as support, or we can dump through it and retest it as resistance. Still waiting here. Anybody take that short? You guys took the short? Jeez. Only on paper? Okay. Reclaiming VWAP, pushing back here. NASDAQ breaking out. I might get long here. Considering a long. If we can hold here, I might get long. NASDAQ looks good. SPY looks good. Bitcoin holding. Like to see a couple more candles here. We got 15 seconds on this candle here. Let's see how it prints. If we get long here, we can take it up to our next level, 93.4. Still waiting. Nice candle print. Nice pushback here. No trade yet, just waiting. We got 2 minutes on this 3-minute candle here. Might be late to the show. Might be late to the show here, guys, but I'm not rushing this trade. Could be a fake out. That's all. I don't really like this retest. This is a slap, but anybody take that long? In long, yeah? Okay. I prefer the long here than the short, to be honest. No trade for me right now. Sitting on hands, yeah. I'm hand sitting as well. I just don't like this. This is all dog poo in here, and we have mitigated this low, so yeah. Don't get fooled by the the NASDAQ here. Still waiting here. I mean, this is a good little liquidity sweep in here for people going, late long, but I would have preferred a much better sweep in that. Nice candle print. That's a good candle. For all those who are long, that's a good candle. I'd be happy with that candle. No trade yet. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Got 600 people in here again. We've streamed twice, so thank you guys for supporting the channel, hanging out here. 244 likes. If we get to 275, we're gonna do the 105 USDT swear jar giveaway tomorrow. Rolling over here. Nas continues to rip. I feel like this is trapping longs. That's how I feel. I feel like it's trapping longs. I'm going to trust it. I'm not going to trade this. I think I would technically long this as a setup, but I'm not. I don't like it today. I don't like this. This is slow. Yeah, I don't like it today. This is not hitting our sell wall, putting in a lower low. This is trapping longs, in my opinion. I don't like it. I'm not going to trade it. If you don't like it, you don't trade it. Got to readjust my golden pocket here. Another trick, if you're not liking a trade, go and do some TA on your charts. Get away from it. Stop zooming in. Oh my God, this candle's going up. This candle's going down. That's gonna get you wrecked. Healthy distraction. Put the trade on. Pretend you took the trade. That's one of my favorites. Okay, we're in the trade. I'm not taking this, but you can be pissed off that it went the right way, and you can be happy that it went against you. Okay, either way, you're not taking the trade, right? Because you don't always have to be in a trade, especially with this. We're not trying to justify this candle close here. I say down. What do you guys think? Up or down? Down, down, up, up. You guys voted. Ooh, that's very, very mixed. Yeah, that's price action, right? How will you trade the orb? Well, the orb is a tight range right now, so very easily is that we're just going to use it as a target, support and resistance like we always do, right? So we have our upper orb and our lower orb. A tight orb is actually really good because you can typically have a lot of trades off of it, and it gives you good direction most of the time. So everybody likes a tight orb. Insert rude joke. Rolling over here, Bitcoin. Coming through VWAP here. Still battling. No trade right now. See, that could have stopped you out right there. Like if you're taking a little scalp long there. Yeah. Not ideal. 600 people here, 255 likes. We need 20 more likes, guys, and we're good to go. If you are new here, thank you for being here, subscribing to the channel. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. If you wouldn't mind subscribing and joining the Otter Gang, taking live trades every single day with you guys. We made $1,500 in 5 seconds. I've been corrected. 5 seconds yesterday. 5 seconds. It was quick. I'm gonna have to go and rewatch that stream yesterday and time it. I'm gonna time it. Okay, and it's probably gonna be like 7 seconds. I went back and looked at the candle, and it literally took 15 seconds to pump. Look at this one. Okay, let's go to 5 second chart. I'm sorry, guys. 5 second chart. Bitcoin looks like it's going to roll over right now. No trade. Where is it? Oh, God. We're never going to find it here. Bitcoin chopping still. I'm watching it on my other screen, guys. Don't worry. You're safe. I can't find it. I got to put a vertical line on it. Amateur, Alex. Amateur. Stalling out here. This is rolling over, in my opinion, guys. Sell wall. Choppy. Damn, that sell wall is good, eh? A little confluence. We count the candle. Look, this is a 1 minute candle, and it still doesn't give you multiple candles in here. I gotta go count. Guess we should have shorted, eh? Damn, Daniel, losing the orb right now. Orb, VWAP retest, continuation down. Nasdaq's ripping. They're decoupling, friends. Who's sick of hearing the word decoupling? I am. Why did we not short? Because we had no confirmation up here. That's why. There's nothing that really, in my opinion, there's nothing that justified shorting here. We had a sell wall. We had market open right smack bang there. So it's also a very volatile time to trade. Right? So you're putting yourself at risk just by entering a trade on market open. Right? Because, you know, Donald Trump farts like he did yesterday and the market went bananas. You are getting a trigger wave here on the 3 minute to the upside. So we didn't short because it's choppy price action. We're coming into market open. There's no real SFP structure. We could have gotten short off like the doji engulfing here, doji engulfing on the retest, but that was a nice bounce off VWAP, so there's no reason to take that. Chopping orb right now. We need 3 more likes, guys. I'm going to make it 300. I'm not that guy. Are we going to go late today? This is price action's dismal right now. The Nasdaq's doing great. We should be trading the Nasdaq. I'm interested in trading the Nasdaq. You know, I've considered it. I love my Bitcoin, but damn, that Nasdaq. Sometimes it looks fun as heck. Giannis is in short. Let's get it. I'm in the long on NASDAQ Orb. Nice, Maba. Beautiful. Reggie, he's a master of the NASDAQ. Okay. Reggie, you always on the queue, man. See, Reggie, I use the US 100 because it reacts quicker than the NASDAQ on TradingView. Until I don't want to pay for the NASDAQ package so I get the live feed, but the US 100 actually reacts faster than the NQ. You know what I mean, Reggie? I think you know. You know what I mean. What's a NASDAQ? NQ, bro. NQ. The NQ. You have to pay if you want to trade it. Yeah, absolutely. What exchange can us Canadians? We got news at 10. Building permits, I believe. Spaced building permits at 10. No, you can't trade delayed data. No way. If we go down, we have some targets. We have tons of targets below us here. We're looking to come all the way down to 88. What the heck is this big red box? 88.7 be a target. I mean, we have targets all the way down 91.3, 93, 89.3. That's weird. 333. Interesting. Bitcoin looks like an ish coin right now. Holding view up, trying to push back. Top of orb, possible long. Some ugly candles, but it's holding view up, so just I'm gonna be patient here. We got a nice trigger wave forming down in here. How's that 24 looking? 24 is topping out. Concerning, a little bit concerning. 12 minutes topped. 1 hour. 1 hour still got lots of room to the upside. So does the 30. Still waiting here, guys. I can't make it move. I wish I could make it move. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We hit our likes, so tomorrow we'll do a giveaway. We'll do the $105 swear jar giveaway tomorrow. Be here or be square. What do you guys think? We split it in half? Do 50 each? 55, 50. That's a weird number. You guys don't know which way it's going. That's fine. DDT, yeah, man. Exchanges Forex, yeah. Looks like Windows 95, yeah. 97, baby. Windows 97 is the alpha. Do 95 more? What? Fuck. There you go. It's 110. You guys got to remind me tomorrow, though, please. Please remind me. I know all of you guys are going to remind me. Anybody get long off that? What a some bull price action, man. You guys told me to wait till when? 10? 10, 10, 10? 10, 10? Did you guys see this is who you're trading against picture yesterday? You guys are making fun of me on online. Did you guys see that picture? You guys all making fun of me. This is who you're trading against, guys. F you, Bitcoin. Why are you doing this, man? Chop City and then popping off. What a nambe pambe. Orb retest. Looking for an orb retest here. See if we get it. If not, price is going to run away. To the moon. I'm going to take a stab if it comes back down to retest orb, everybody, just so you know. I told ya. I could ladder in from here, possibly. I'm in half a position. Half a position in. Looking to add if we come back down to orb for full position. Nice push here. Come back in here. I can add. What's going on with my mouse? See if it wants to keep pushing. Everything else looking good. Could be a fake out. Could not be. Who knows? We'll see. But I'm looking for a continuation here. I'm in half position size. See if we keep going. I'll be taking half out if we get up here. 90, 93, 400-ish. Stop loss to entry. Or I'll be adding. Either way. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. I don't want to have to add. I'd rather just go up and make money. Come on, baby. Push. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me today. Stalling out right now. Not sure if I like this yet. See if we can follow through. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Still interested in the retest down in here. Green dot on the 12, 15. This could be V-shaped recovery in here, all the way back in. Looking to get out a little bit up here if we do push. It's really Steve Ruglin this morning. Push it. Come on, baby. Maybe they're watching the stream. I doubt it. Nobody's ever. That'd be funny. Looking for these to be tapped, man. Come on, baby. Or it's really trapping longs here. Still waiting. Come on, Corn, push it. A little bit more. Damn, this is long. This kind of painful, everybody. It's kind of painful. What do you guys think? Cut it or hold it? One to cut it, 2 to hold it. She coming down. Yeah, I think she coming down too. Cut it, hold it. Cut it, hold it. 1, 2. 1, cut it. 2, hold it. Rolling over now, coming back to retest orb. 2, hold it. Retest. Here comes the retest. This is where we add if we wanted to. I want to see strength in the add, though. I don't want to just add to be a namby-pamby. It's got to bounce here. I haven't added yet. Still waiting. I might cut this. There's the high retest. Trapping longs. Back into orb. I don't like that either. AlexOCrypto buying tops, man, not being patient. Damn, Daniel. Bounce Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Bounce Bitcoin. I haven't added to it at all. I'm still waiting here. What the heck's up here for resistance? So that's confusing. Halfway down the candle here, trying to push up. Retest continuation. Yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm going to cut it. Nasty. Nasty trappy. Last chance VWAP pop. That's how it goes sometimes. That's how it goes sometimes. Send you over to Piper Academy. Definitely a very shockingly shite price action. We'll do the giveaway tomorrow, everybody. Can't catch them all. That's fine. Another one. We'll see. Maybe it bounces here. Who knows? You guys tell me. Have a wonderful day. I will see the Discord members at 12. Okay, we'll do another live stream. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. God bless every single one of you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow or later on today. All right, have a wonderful day, everybody. God bless you guys. See you guys. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gains. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these riders forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB.